Did you know that 60% of small businesses close within 6 months of a cyber attack? It's a staggering statistic that highlights the vulnerability many organizations face. Cyber threats are real, and ignoring them can be catastrophic. Every organization, regardless of size, faces unique cybersecurity risks. These threats evolve constantly, targeting weaknesses you might not even be aware of. Understanding these risks is the first step towards safeguarding your business. The second step is understanding risk and what you can do to mitigate it. You should also understand there are several risk frameworks out there that work great. 27005 is one of those, but also NIST RMF. ISO 27005 provides a structured approach to identifying, assessing, and managing risks, and works great if you are in an ISO 27001 environment. It's not just a standard, it's a comprehensive guide to proactive risk management. This blueprint can transform how you perceive and handle threats. Learn how 27005 can be tailored to fit your organization's specific needs. By customizing this framework, you ensure that your risk management strategy is both effective and efficient, addressing your unique challenges. Contact Arrakis and discover case studies of organizations that have successfully implemented 27005. These businesses have reduced incidents and improved their security posture significantly. Their stories illustrate the tangible benefits of adopting this standard. Understand the real-world impact of 27005 on risk management strategies. By adopting this approach, companies have not only safeguarded their assets, but also gained a competitive edge in their respective industries. By mastering 27005, you'll be equipped to tackle any cybersecurity challenge. Join our expert-led training sessions to deepen your understanding and application of 27005. This is your opportunity to enhance your skills and protect your organization. Sign up today and transform your approach to risk management. Together, we can build a safer digital environment for your business. Don't wait for a threat to strike. Take proactive steps now with Arrakis Consulting. Contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com to see how we can help you.